The Sabbath is a day that the Lord made for you and me to rest in and worship the King. He made the heavens and the earth and the sea. He created all the living things that crawl the earth. The Sabbath is a day where you and I have holy convocation and meet with believers. Day one,
let there be light.
Day two,
you made the sky and the land.
Day three,
the trees, the flowers, and the grass.
Day four,
the stars and the moon in the sky.
Day five,
you made the fish and the birds.
Day six,
you made Adam and Eve.
Day seven, stop. He rested.
Sabbath day.
He rested.
Holy day.
He rested.
A day of rest for you and me. Let all creation bow before His name. Thank you, Lord.
He rested.
Yes, it did.
He rested.
So should you
rested.
lay your work aside on the day